the last act of the night. And exactly, yes, well done, okay. I like that. Okay, sorry, I got a little bit excited. So this last act is a really special one because it's one of my besties. I've got a few besties out there, yeah.
Flex on that Pokemon.
I do. What can I say? But I've known this fella, this geezer, for a really long time, and he's always been a really supportive friend. Like, no matter what, he's someone you want on your side because no matter what you're going through, he will find a way to be there for you. He's seen my daughter grow up, he's her uncle, he's been there, and I'm always grateful to him because whenever I ask him something, which isn't often, then he'll always find a way to get it done for me, and I'm really appreciative of that. And you know, everybody needs good male role models in their life, so I'm really grateful for his brotherhood. So let me shout now. Mariana, you're right, sometimes I do talk too much.
Yeah, man! Call the bloody man on the stage! I have to go back to North West London!
I'm sorry. Okay, so, do you know what? I really forgot we were in South, you know?
Innit?
Okay, so, please, put your hands together for Reggae Zulu!
What's going on, people? Let me get ready. All right. So we had the king and the sound system. Some of them are try bring it to the Crown Kingdom. Then I get busy like downtown Kingston. Woman try warn but they don't listen. So we get the king and not the sound system. Sound system and not the sound system. Some of them are try bring it to the Crown Kingdom, but we get the king and not the sound system. Step on the rhythm in my English class. First things first, big up my English dogs. Sit up on the rhythm like an English horse. So we can't pay attention in my English class. Which means anything I sing is sharp. Iron sharp, iron till it flint and spark. Rock this blood clot like Lincoln Park. Attitude thing, can it rank like far? Next mission, switch it to a different task. Give a little courage to the picnic's path. Put a little courage in the children's heart. Babylon want them dumb, but we build them smart. Young guns burn bright, trying to die young. South of the border, west of the sun. The best is yet to be done. So make come back one up, I jump on a take my fella. But we hear the king in the sound system. Woo! Alright, cool. I could just warm up the mic, you know. Just put all those good vibes on it, but it's SoundBoy season. Right about now. You don't know about SoundBoy season. So when I say SoundBoy, you say season, SoundBoy. Season. SoundBoy. Season. This is the time when all the creatives come and start to put their expression to the forefront. So we're gonna go with a tune, a brand new single of mine. I think I might have only performed it once in the world, called SoundBoy Season. Please select. And in fact, yeah, it is warm up here, isn't it, James? I like this tune because if I was a WWF wrestler, this would be my tune right back to the ring. Yo. Okay. Gone get me out of the race. Tired, busy with face. What? Lamina man, never make it riding a man. Back my one ramming a man, fuck their aim, just a ramming a man. Don't damn in a man, so the man is scamming a man. Must be something about me a man. Won't know what to do with damn in a man like damn in a man, never make it riding a man. Back my one ramming a man, fuck their aim, just a ramming a man. Don't damn in a man, so the man is scamming a man. Must be something about me a man. Guided by the almighty the man. Under my senses, let me burn this sense in me now. Next to me put on my iron shirt underneath this mesh marina. Far as I see from the east to the west, all blessed from Memphis to Medina. But SoundBoy I'm pack up and run. You know the 7-seater. From the trident and the like Peter. What's up land from the 9mm. Warning shot, run them off the block, then the lap when I like them leader. money company, so don't mix my name in a fuckery. Don't clumsy, put my name in your mouth too comfy. Suck at your mumsy. Wait! Lamb in a man, now let me get ram in a man. Bad mind one ram in a man, but bear angel just a ram in a man. Don't rap in a man, so the woman them scam in a man. Must be something about in a man. Won't know what to do with that in a man. Like, ooh, lamb in a man, now let me get ram in a man. Bad mind one ram in a man, but bear man just a ram in a man. Don't damn in a man, so the woman is scam in a man. Must be something about in a man. Guided by the Almighty in a man, and lift that DJ please. So the SoundBoy SZN mixtape is out now, and the SoundBoy SZN was a collection of songs I had, and I wanted to promote it, but in this time it's funny as an artist. You've got to do all kind of things and funny things to get people's attention. I can't be asked. Yeah, that's why I make my music and put it out. So I thought, what can I do? I had some annual leave, I had some money. I thought, what should the Rasta man do? I went to Africa. I took my brethren, we took a camera. We made some films. We made a short film and we're going to preview that short film tomorrow. But these are the music around the film. So, is anyone here partaking the holy herb?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, can I ask you a question? If you agree, everyone just say yeah. This is the only response I like to do. There's a natural mystic in the air.
Yeah.
Anybody got a restless bear?
Yeah.
Mind if I build it up in air? So I could put a little natural mystic in the air.
Yeah.
Anybody got the lighter there?
Yeah.
Mind if I spark it up in here?
Yeah.
Reggae Zulu party up in here. Acoustic Unfiltered party up in here. Yeah. So this next one's dedicated to my brethren Jabs because he's a real ganja man. This one called No Bush. If you're gonna do it properly. Run that one, DJ. You don't like dancehall music?
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to sit down. You don't have to get up, shake a leg, shake a shoulder, wine, rock out, do a your wine. All them stuff. Feel free to throw up yourself. If you can feel it, let it go. Alright? Alright. I don't wanna bush weed, I feel sorry, a bush weed for ya. Lamb's bread, cushion pen, I don't wanna bush weed, we don't wanna bush weed, I feel sorry, a bush weed for ya. Step into your dealer and be supplier. I don't wanna bush weed. If you push weed, yo, give me the Cali and the bush weed. Yo, lad, I'm not the weed. Yo, lad, packing up the stush weed. Yo, when I take a when I trust weed. Yo, ready link me up good speed. Yo, not a sticker, not a one seed. Yo, on the spliff and said, seed. Give me little cookies and cream. Turn on the chalice, let it bubble and steam. Big people ting only over 18. Woke up on the sofa, rock up and lean. Martin Luther King. I had the dream, had the power, everything, orange and tangerine. From a big name, every day kiss me, invested in ganja business strictly. I don't wanna bush weed, I can stop a bush weed fire. Lamb's bread, cushion pen, kaya. I don't wanna bush weed, we don't wanna bush weed, I can stop a bush weed fire. Take me to your dealer and weed supplier. Now bush weed higher, good weed supplier. Supply me with the kaya to uplift me higher. Fresh up a stoop so I might need prior. Important to the mind, hot man every wire. Kaya and a kaya long, what we require. Peace, mind, body and soul, worldwide sees fire. Says he's got the proper thing, but he's a real liar. Got the cookie, but it never cooking and the air fryer. Leave it alone, make me travel far. Air kaya. More fire, give me more fire. And I can't boil when I boil can't tie up. And I can't boil when I girl can't style up. Give my brain a proper CAT scan. After but I'm on a Moroccan and an Afghan. Finger gum that I rubber for my backhand. Not a gram fan, better bring a scandal back. I don't wanna bush weed higher. I can start a push weed fire. Lamb's bread, cushion pen, kaya. I don't wanna bush weed higher. We don't wanna bush weed higher. I can start a push weed fire. Take me to your dealer and weed supplier. We don't wanna bush weed higher. Gardening requirements. Yeah. Where are we gonna go next, guys? Alright, so part of the sound system culture, we've got the reggae, we've got the dancehall, but we've got the sound clash culture. You don't know about sound clash culture? So that means only the fittest of the fit shall survive. Now I'm not really bringing down my people at all, but competition is good for the sport. It's good for the sport, right? So this next song is called 0800 Killer SoundBoy. Because if you ever have a SoundBoy who needs exterminating services, I do many things. You just dial 0800 and I will turn up and sort your SoundBoys out for you. Run the next one, DJ. Fresh, never performed this before. Exclusive, Acoustic Unfiltered. I got dead tonight. Let me bring my ring for the SoundBoys. Yo. If you like the roots, you can just give it for a rock or for one for Rastaman Skank, yeah? Okay. Excuse me, operator. Finish the SoundBoy Terminator. Exterminate them, annihilator. Hot them all up like the radiator. Burn them up like the word equator. Put them down, turn them to vapor. Call my number, is my data. We know it's just a communicator. Rip them all up like a piece of paper. Fuck is my reputation. Cemetery book of reservation. Everybody's in by my estimation. When I got for them, call the ghost cluster them. Trust me, them, call them 1, 2, 3. Enough for them, dust and dust, till I turn them to copy them. Words. Killer sound, boy, tonight. They never give up the fight. You know them sing they're not right. Yo, when they sing killer sound, boy, tonight. Never give up the fight. You know them thing they're not right. Big up Jonathan Keys. Yo. 783 time in a row. Let's just see a SoundBoy shipper. Duck down from the SoundBoy killer. Pillage on the moon down like a tiller. Jump down to Anguilla. Kill off MC, rapper and singer. Promoter, that's for Adman Skrilla. Dip my spray, flip them all in a SoundBoy killing. No child, no women, golden eye in a fresh white linen. Resurrecting from the dead and spin them if they can't listen. They have to feel. So then shoot on the battlefield. Don't care how you feel. No, your master feel. When the sound get killed, I get how you feel. Feel the sound tonight. We never. You gotta give up the flag. What? We got them thing there right higher. So what we're gonna do? Killer sound. Hey. Give an opera, killer. Alright, bring that one down, DJ. So as I said, it's not just the SoundBoy season. It's not just the dancehall. It's not just the SoundBoy killing. It's not just the opera. What else you got in the bag? You got like jungle. Yeah! You like jungle? You have any jungle listening here? Alright, DJ, give me the prophecy. But if you're homeless, I can't see you lot sitting in the chair looking gosh. When you feel it, I can just get a little. Yeah, don't be shy. This one called prophecy. Strap yourself in, guys. You're going for a ride. Yo. Okay. Sit in the hill and hold on, let's return to 60 with the message. What it might go over ends are. I just do the work before the set. Looking at the wine when it's looking like a mess. Sit in the hill and hold on, let's return to the city with the message. What it might go over ends. I just do the work before the set. Looking at the wine when it's looking like a mess. Prophecy for spread. The word is on the back and then it's right over the egg. Rise up from the dead. I see the evil try to rise from that in the head. Time to push man over the edge. With conditions and the pressure to just ride it like a sledge. Not frightened for the government, the army, no defense. Bring the killer team for these crazy ballers. Prophecy and scribes, but every messenger for keep the fallacies alive. For all them in the masses think reality's a lie. So the yes, you put the hype and that's the clarity aside. Now all you can think about is the vanity and pride. Dying with no compassion and charity inside. Now you speak with no morality and lie. And let the seed that you've been thinking manifest before your eye. Listen to the prophecy that I prophesy. Don't ignore me cause I'm not a shirt inside. You know this guy. Tapping the economy to the poverty will rise. Politicians speaking promises is probably all lies. Sit in the hill and hold them and return to city with the message what it might go overhead. So I just do the work Jehovah said. Looking at the wide world is looking like a mess. Prophecy for spread. What is all the back and then they fragile was the egg. rise up from the dead. I see the evil try to rise, recognizing and them head up. Times the bushman over the edge. Conditions with the pressure, so just ride it like a sledge. No frightened for the government, the army, nor the feds. Keenly bring the guillotine for all these crazy warlords. Crazy warlords. What? Crazy warlords. Crazy warlords. No frightened for the government, the army, nor the feds. Bring the guillotine for all these crazy warlords. The prophet rise again into the hearts of minds of men. Women and elderly and vulnerable, low pity under 10. Trust no rely upon the dirty government. For the humble thing we hear from them is crime or punishment. Bring back the love again, reach Robert up again. Put the true roots stronger, this is what I recommend. Power to the sound system, like an oxygen. Right upon his white stallion, the prophet rise again. Your messenger, bringing prophecy to the people in the area. Coming from the stars like the alien and predator. Talking to the king, public and the prime minister. Over Westminster, you know a higher energy. Why it's only remedy. We're not afraid of neither enemy. Peace, love and justice over every take heed and leader. Listen, king lead to the prophecy. Yo. Bring that one down, DJ. Bring that one down, DJ. Bring that one down, DJ. All jungleists sound nice and quick. Jump up and twist. Yeah. Alright. Well, what you saying, niggas? Greetings, and blessed be all peacekeepers, herbalists and every beekeeper. But if it's war, pour petrol on these peace treaties. I rise up the 9mm, sunrise, blackening on 9 ethers, pay rise for all poor righteous teachers. Unity is strength when there's no divide between us. As if the fingers in a fist, I bring wise words, so please consider it a gift. God helps those who show initiative and put all ego aside. Pride and our differences, no distances can't keep us apart, except my words and the meditations of my heart. As you gather around this table here to break bread and raise a toast to honor what is sacred.
Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Reggae Rebel. You want one more? Are you sure? Because I'm not trying to overstay my welcome. It's Friday night. I know you've not been at work all day. It's a long day. You sure you want one more?
Yeah.
Alright, we went to the jungle, but before there was jungle, there was roots, rock, reggae, yeah? So we got a song called Reggae Nomics. It's a study of reggae music because we have to do our history. Run that one, DJ. A little piece of volume, please, DJ. Yeah. Yo, Reggae Nomics. It's the music where we love. Reggae Nomics. It's the music Reggae Club. Reggae Nomics. Feel the tongue, but the reggae dog. If you don't know Reggae Nomics, tell me who wanna be judged. Reggae Nomics. Is it in the food? Is it in the drink? Reggae Nomics. Is it this music that we link? Reggae Nomics. At the root of everything, the beginning of all this modern music we're missing. Reggae music we're studying, play money we're hustling, DJ mixing and juggling, selector for me another in, so man and a man we're huddling, man and I'm cuddling, rubber dub it to the rhythm, so nobody ring the troubling, Reggae Nomics. From the days of Reaganomics, how we make up the economics, Reggae Nomics, bust a wine, plus super tonic, wet rum, high grade and chronic, but don't turn no alcoholic, Reggae Nomics, and it's the dress, Reggae Nomics, it's the style and our finesse, Reggae Nomics, and all the powers we possess, that message in the melody that keeps everybody blessed, yes. It's the sound and it's the vibes. In England it's your team, but back a yard, play outside. Some string up on the lawn till all the 6 o'clock come on. The play and all the artists will perform, but it's not very warm in England, so we pack up back to back in a council flat and just one. Pick up every artist, large up every sound. When it's time for sound clash, dance, turning up every ground. Reggae Nomics, the vibration that we love. Reggae Nomics. It's the version on the top. Reggae Nomics, bring them in with blood. Don't stop the reggae music, tell me who wanna be judged. Reggae Nomics, and full up of topics. Hotter than the tropics, reggae. Consistent, it's iconic. Everybody try copy, but when I business, why y'all go deep? Wait, when I business, when I get money and twist, when they get inside a big split, don't watch that when I watch nobody business. When I business, party every night like it's Christmas. Since the 1960s, all night, I'm gonna read the 2020s Reggae mix.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rebel Zulu Rebel. Peace, love, and peace. Thank you very much for your time. TJ Friday. When I say roots and when I say culture, roots and culture. When I say forward never, you say backward never, forward never. Peace.
Rebel, where can we find you?
Tell the people.
What you gotta do is just play it. Go on Spotify and put SoundBoy SZN. Play as loud as you can. It's like the back signal on our land. In your back garden and kill 6 SoundBoys and a cockroach immediately. Or you can just put in Reggae, Zulu, and the rest will pop up. Peace, love, and hair.